An egg. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you may notice I look really bad, and that is because I am doing a 0 to 100 night out transformation for you today. As I'm going out, it is currently 4:23. I'm going out in 2 hours. And this is currently what I look like. I'm gonna do it all. I'm gonna tan, nails, hair, makeup in this amount of time. So we're just gonna see how that goes. And yeah, I'm just gonna get on with it because, to be honest with you, I've not got that much time. I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. I'm here, I've been in the shower, I've tanned, I'm tanned, I have dried my hair, and now I'm just gonna do my makeup and also, I tidied my room as well, bloody hell, you know, productive. I'm just gonna do my makeup. No. Makeup time. Anyone else's lips so dry nowadays. Bloody ridiculous, man. I'm gonna start with this Benefit primer. So I've got young girl neighbours, and when I've got the blinds open and I'm videoing, and I've got the light on, I wonder if they think I'm Zoella. Righty ho, foundation I'm gonna use is NARS Natural Radiant Longwear one. Put quite a bit on because I am literally going for like a full look. Right, I'm not gonna lie to you, at the minute I'm into using a brush and not a beauty blender. It's the first time that's happened in literally years. I did a little TikTok transition before, right? I am 22 years old. I am obsessed with TikTok. It's actually embarrassing. Like at first my sister was like, oh, make a TikTok, like it'll be really good and like I'll help you do it. And now I don't even make them, I just sit on it. I just sit and watch them. And so does Izzy. All the time. Oh my god, I look like an alien. Oh my god, look at me, I look ridiculous, right? An egg. A literal egg. Been using this concealer, supersized one, supersized Makeup Revolution one for literally about a year now. I really want to go for like a glowy makeup look, like with fluffy brows and like really bronzed. I've seen loads of I've seen loads of tweets. See, I'm obsessed with TikTok. I've seen loads of tweets about, from people in America, saying that girls from England are obsessed with fake tan. And I'm not being funny, but yeah, we are obsessed with fake tan, but that's because we live in England. And getting a natural tan, oh my god, look at that, that's so bad. And getting a natural tan is literally impossible in this country. And I know some places in America aren't really hot, but I'm sure that they can get natural tans. I'm baking. Actually, I don't know if I will. I think I might just... I need to wipe this. Oh dear. I've made a big mistake. Oh dear. This is make or break time. Because my eyebrows don't match. And I've been trying to do a fluffy brow, but I just haven't perfected it yet. I did it one day. I did the perfect fluffy brow. And I literally haven't been able to do it since. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Every day discovering something brand new. Oh, my camera's flashing. That's the fluffy brow. I'm gonna go off camera and do the other one. Okay? Right, so I'm back. My camera died. So I did my hair. Where's my lip balm? Where's my lip balm? Where's my lip balm? Where's my lip balm? I've just been listening to my podcast and I just thought I'd let you know that I still love it. Oh, what's going on there? Might have to redo my hair in a minute because it just looks ridiculous. Eyeshadow time. I'm gonna start with my Modern Renaissance palette. That looks shit. Then, so I've just put loads on my lid. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I never do looks like this, but since my conspiracy palette video, I've been like really into like doing stuff like this. Like more heavy makeup looks. So I've blended both of them out. I'm gonna go on my conspiracy palette. Use Ranch because I really like this as a brow highlight. Oh shit. This looks awful. I think it just needs more blending. I look really gothic. I look like a goth. I look like a goth. I look like a goth. Now I'm gonna put some lashes on. Really got an earache. Hope I've not got an ear infection. Story time, right? Last year, or this year, one time recently, I woke up in the middle of the night and I had like searing pain in my ears and I was like, something's wrong, something's wrong. And Jack was staying over at mine and he drove me to like this emergency doctor's, and I had a grommet in my ear, and I'd had a grommet as an operation when I was like 5 or something. And like that was the last time I had my operation, and they're meant to fall out on their own after like 6 months. The grommet had been in my ear for 15 years and it had just been sitting in there for 15 years. Does anyone else think that's absolutely mental? And then the woman took it out and showed me it, and she was like, do you want to take it home? And I was like, should I? Because it's been part of me for 15 years, but I didn't. It's probably in the bin now. Well, I'm sure it is in the bin now. Do you know when you're using a tweezer, put your eyelashes on, and your eyelashes decide to stick to the tweezer and not the eye that it's intended to stick to? I think, what are you doing? I use this Too Faced one that's a blusher and a highlighter in one, because I want to be really glowy. MAC. I'm going to use MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter.
Oh my god, sorry, I have absolutely creased that twice. I said I'm gonna use MAC twice. I said it wrong. What the hell?
Do you know, I think these are the best fluffy brows I've done. Don't mean to blow my own horn. Is that the same? Don't mean to toot my own trumpet. I'm just using the Revlon Ultra Matte colour thing. I don't know what shade it is, but these are really good and cheap. Setting spray time! Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm now gonna go and get changed, and then I'll come back and show you the final transformation. The final, I'm ready, I'm sorted. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. It's gonna be a whole dilemma. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. So the transformation has been completed. There is no need for that. You look nice. Thank you. Will you do my... Will you...
What?
Will you video us?
Doing what?
Showing my outfit.
Well, I'm not gonna wear anything. Oh.
Why?
I was getting on with it. You look nice.
Thank you.
What do you want us to do?
I want you to video us.
That way?
No. No, not that way. So this is my outfit.
Do I pan down?
Well, I'll talk about it. So I'm wearing this from New Look. Juliet's going to be so proud of me. This is from New Look, this belt is from New Look, my jeans are from New Look, and my shoes are from New Look. And my bag's big, Dior one, but I think it goes well with that.
It does.
Oh, what's that? I thought it was Isabel.
No, it's me. Come with the show. Where are you going?
I'm going out.
I know that.
I'm going to Banyan,
Where's Banyan?
in the town.
Okay. What are you going to Banyan for?
For fun. What you do when you're 22 and it's a Friday night.
No.
You used to go to the equivalent of Banyan, I suppose, when you were young.
I went to the Black Horse for a couple of pints.
Dad, I'm not putting that on YouTube.
No, I will knock your teeth out if you do, so...
I'll just blur it. I'm just going to blur you.
You blur as much as you like, I don't care.
Right. Alright, so that is the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please do subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I try and upload 3 times a week, so hopefully if you subscribe I shall see you very soon. And yeah, have a nice night or day or whatever you're up to. Bye!